Okay, sir.
Good morning, everybody. I, Dr. D. Sachinarana, Professor in MBA Department from Bonu Venkatachalmaya Institute of Technology Science, Batlapalam, Ablapuram. Today, my concept is SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, threat analysis. Introduction part. Each and every company, organization, then own a strength, opportunity, threat, weakness is there. One of the most useful way of the character of the organization, overall strategic position is called SWOT analysis. It is useful for the determination of the strategic position by considering whether or not the present strategy of the company is capable of dealing with the changes taking place of the business environment. I want to talk about organization and also again business environment strategy. First of all, organization is nothing but a company. Is also known as management. Organization is continue forever, but span of an employee only 3 to 4 decades. After that, an employee retired from his services. Example: a sub-inspector of police in the mandal level retired from his age 60, completed, retired. So that is called is strong fellow. Retired each and every government employee, not only corporate employees also. This is again strategic position. Company strategic position means strategy meaning is Chambers Oxford Dictionary define is a design to plan for achieving certain long-term goal. Design, plan, certain long-term goal is called strategy. That is one of the company strength. Again, business environment. That is called business may be classified environment two categories: internal environment and external environment. So the strategic management involves the analysis of the organizational factor, that is strength, weakness, environmental factor, threat, opportunity in the business environment is called SWOT analysis. Classified 4 point: S which refers to strength, W which refers to the weakness, O which refers to the opportunity, T which refers to the threats. Okay, strength. Strength means according to Gandhi, according to Vivekananda says that strength is life, weakness is death, character is destination. Every human being, suppose strength, I want to talk about Vivekananda quotation applied a few seconds. Character is lost, health is lost, don't bother. Friendship is lost, don't worry. But character is lost, everything is lost. Life also lost, lose their position. That's because strength are the internal capabilities of the business organization comparison with the competitors. The strength may be the company's image, brand, functional areas such as marketing, finance, and functions. Company image. Company image means company products such as branded products. Suppose two-wheeler vehicles. The number of Hero Honda and the Enfield vehicles are the branded products. Again, the unique a new vehicle preferred 1 lakh. Preferred parents and students felt very happy. How the look, like design, color, size, feature are very far rather than other two-wheelers. So preferred one of the company brand name, image, functional areas of the that is called strength. Company motor vehicle strength. Again, weakness, which are tend to be reduced capabilities of the competence of the organization when compared to the competitors. It would be poor product quality, high cost production, poor marketing, financial weak, and inefficient management. Weakness is also treated as a die position. The company poor finance, poor quality, and a poor maintenance is called a weakness. Again, the following the marketing class. Generally, marketing it is a place where buyer and seller negotiate something given a point of time is called marketing. Suppose Kakinada town, Visakhapatnam town, it is a market. Same or shopping mela, Visakhapatnam, it is a market, a place where it is connected, buyer and seller, they voluntarily come forward, can take whatever he or she want, they can afford to buy it, they can enjoy a lot their goods and services, cloth, food items, etc. That is called market. Example, at present scenario change is not a public place. It is a online marketing, offline marketing. Students, teenagers, young people, metropolitan cities, Delhi, Bombay, Calcutta, Hyderabad people, only online shopping. And 80% of the products can book online. They can pay online money. Again, the product will reach within a span of time. Food offering, marketing offering, what e-marketing, e-seva, e-banking, e-learning, e-education, everything. That is called marketing. Scenario will be changed in the world wise. That is called market. Local market, national market, international market, and also world market. Okay, that may classify two categories: strength, weakness. Market strength, strong brand image. Weakness, poor brand image. Strong distribution network, weak distribution network, perfect product mix, lack poor product mix, efficient marketing department, poor sales force, high quality product, low quality product. Preferred, here we can say that the above the schedule clearly mentioned marketing classified strength and weakness. Strength is one of the strong life and product image branded products. Example, construction of houses, industries, all the households can construct the own house. All the steel selected Vizag Steel ISA brand only. Not only Simhadri Steel, not only other product. Preferred, it's one of the branded brand image of the market. Next one is production. Production strength and weakness. Strength, state the art of technology. Weakness, obsolete technology. Efficient supply. Strength, inefficient supply. Weakness, excellent inventory management, poor inventory management. Strong research and development skill, weak research and development skill, high productivity, low productivity. Here a small example is strong research and development product. Example, Dr. Reddy's lab product, medical science, medical kits, all over the world wise. Reddy's lab research and development wing prepared a separate medical kit demanded all over the world. That's one of the strength of the product, Dr. Reddy's lab. It's one of the production part of the company. Again, weakness is there. People know very well what are the product, brand, label, ISA brand, MRP rate, price is fixed. Everybody can afford to buy branded products, not a poor products. Human resource. Human resource classified. Human resource dictionary meaning is which refers to the individual knowledge, talent, brain, capabilities, skill, mind power up to mark from total body utilization only. Company also such a way. Human resource. Company can select only quality people, quality product, quality because it is a standard of individual strength. That is called human resource. Here a small Bible word is human mind power utilized up to mark. God provides equal intelligence among all individuals. God provides equal intelligence among all individuals. No differences, but differences is one's mental ability utilized up to mark. Example, those who are utilize mind power, they can settle, no doubt at all. God viewpoint of view, no differences. Again, this is the human resource strength and weakness. Qualified and experience, weakness, inexperience, good industrial relation, poor industrial relation, good human resource, poor human resource, highly dedicated employee, low. Again, opportunity threat, the following the okay, opportunity threat, the factors of external environment which when analyzed give us the opportunity that threats to be encountered by the business organization. The opportunity threat helps to determine the nature of the environmental and to access the company's market potentiality. Opportunity is also known as employment. Opportunity are those favorable conditions in the firm's environment which helps the firm strengthen its position. Threat is nothing but also known major unfavorable condition of the firm environment which may be risk or damage The film position is called threat, opportunity. Again, okay. So finally, we conclude that the above the topic SWOT analysis, each and every company, organization, not one individuals of the own strength, weakness, opportunity. Okay, try the level best. Only MNC companies click in the world was because of the entrepreneurs or founder of the company morning wake up their starting period 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock. Before sunrise, the business shall be concluded there. That is the entrepreneur utilize the hours, morning early hours. It is the God's time. Pray to God Almighty providing energy, enlightenment, all the providing things so that such a way in per year on an average the CEOs, founder of the companies utilize their time 3 months grace time. Those who wake up 4 o'clock, 5, 6, 7, 3 hours grace period, grace hours into number of hours into 3 months time, 100 days bonus days they can enjoy a lot. So thank you Vadanda, thank you.